Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets are a little bit easier overnight. Yesterday we bounced on the fact that crude oil market rallied. We also bounced on talk that maybe the farmer's not selling as much corn to the processors. And in the beans, we still have a problem with domestic meal supply in the east. Logistics might be slowing that meal demand supply into the demand channels. So anyway, we're sitting here and waiting for the USDA's report on Monday. They're expected to show bigger crops, both corn and beans. S&Ds are expected to add that to the corn carryout. And in the beans, we're expected to increase demand and maybe offset the higher crop numbers. When we look at prices, a lot of people think that beans should go lower. The problem is the meal situation. And so it probably won't allow beans to break as much until we get that resolved. South American weather is fine, it's improving, so it continues to say that down the road, let's say March contracts or May contracts might be under pressure in the beans to get kind of where value is. In the corn, we might be in a trading range. When we get below 340, the farmer doesn't sell. When we get above 380, he sells too much. So we're kind of keeping that range until we figure out what's going on and next year. Outside markets are very interesting. Dollar rallied after the U.S. elections. Sometimes that hurts commodity prices. China's not bringing in as much commodities. That their economy might be in question. That hurts commodity prices. So the only place to go is for people to buy the stock market, and it continues to move higher. So the higher stock market, higher dollar, all could weigh on the commodity prices. So we'll have to kind of watch and see how the demand for commodities picks up. So a little bit easier overnight. Export sales, disappointing in meal, disappointing in corn, disappointing in wheat, but really good bean sales. So we'll go into the report Monday. We'll see what the USDA does, and then we'll scramble prices from there. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.